This is for short ribs.
Short ribs, barbecue sauce.
Short ribs in barbecue sauce. So this is our pork short ribs. It's already cut. So in a shallow pan or pot, you can put some water and then bring it to a boil. And then you can add some herb. So star anise, peppercorn, bay leaf, ginger, some garlic, and onion. And you can add some salt. So when the water is boiling, we can add the ribs. So as we can see, the water is boiling. Now we can add the short ribs. So we will boil these ribs until it will get tender. So guys, it's already cooked and it's already tender. So we're going to remove from the pan. So set aside the stock, and then seal them. Sprinkle with flour, and let's wait to fry this. So make sure the oil is very hot, like 100 degrees, and then you can fry it. So guys, it's almost ready. It's ready or almost ready? It's almost ready. Wow, look at that. And finally it's done. Oh wow. Oh wow. See, look at that. So we are going to start our pork barbecue ribs. Peppercorn, bay leaf, green chili, brown sugar, spring onion ribs that we boil, and then after that we put some sprinkle of flour and then we deep fry, and ginger, garlic, some Cajun spice, onion, and capsicum, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, oyster sauce, and ketchup. So guys, let's start our cooking. We are going to start our pork barbecue short ribs. So first, heat the pan and put some oil. Chop onion, chop ginger, no, julienne ginger, and some garlic, plus 3 capsicum, and Cajun spice. If you don't have any Cajun spice, it's okay. It's an optional actually. So just saute it nicely until the ginger and garlic will be cooked. Chili, green chili, bay leaf, peppercorn. And you can add some pork stock. So this is the stock which we use to boil our short ribs, and then now we are using to the cooking process. So we can add some ketchup, some sweet chili sauce, and barbecue sauce. And now we add little bit oyster sauce. So if the barbecue sauce is 3 tablespoons, ketchup and chili sauce are the same. And we can add some brown sugar, a little bit of condensed to give the creamy and sweetness flavor of the sauce. And then now you can mix. Okay guys, so now as you can see, the sauce is, the consistency is already there. Now it's time to add our short ribs. Oh, wow!